So KYMIRA Sport is medical grade clothing. It's infrared technology, and differing to other brands that do have some infrared tech in them is that it doesn't wash out. They've designed a way which they can build the infrared minerals into the fibre at source, which means until you snap that fibre, infrared will last indefinitely, which is huge. I think normally it's like 40 washes or something. The effect is to bring the blood to that area, and helps either improve the oxygen quality of the blood, but also takes away waste products, which has always been one of those key issues with replenishing and recovering, is getting rid of the waste product from the muscle. How we got involved with KYMIRA was we worked with a series of experts who were highly respected within their fields, both internationally, at Olympic level and so on, and we were recommended to have a look at this product. We did, and the effects, well, in the theory side were very exciting, and then, but more importantly, in the reality when we tried it, were staggering. So I use KYMIRA predominantly for recovery. The nature of what we do is triathlon, the bike and the run element, we're hammering our legs. So I use the IR50 tights post nearly all sessions. If it's been a particularly big day, then I'll sleep in them as well. And yeah, the impact is impressive. Yeah, my favourite KYMIRA product is the IR50 leggings, just because they fit most of what we do. So the big bike, the big run sessions, they are also, because they are weight bearing, or certainly the run is, the hardest to recover from. That said, I really like the hoodie because again it's a bit more casual, it's ideal for post swim, and sometimes it's nice not to be in close fitting lycra. I mean, very small amount of time, but it's fine. The effects of KYMIRA has been is frankly just staggering. It's kind of, you have to use it to believe it. It's one of those, the theory sounds good, but until you experience it, it's something else. For me, we do these, we took over lockdown, we're doing these big team time trials online, and I just set my 90-minute best power, just completely emptied myself, and anyway, I sat on the floor and had the worst cramp in my quads that I maybe ever. Like, I wasn't sure I was going to be sick or pass out or both. And yeah, anyway, we were taking the kids to the beach the next day, and there's no way, I'm 5 and a 7-year-old, there's no way they're going to be able to sit still. Anyway, so I dressed myself head to toe in this thing. I would have, slept in it, and I couldn't believe it. The next day, it was as if I'd done nothing, which was yeah, it was unbelievable. It just didn't compute. There's very few things in 20 years of coaching and more of endurance sport that really blow me away in such a way. One of those was like switching from aluminium to titanium, then titanium to carbon on the bikes. But this is just you have to use it to believe it. Yeah, I cannot recommend it enough. I almost want to keep it to myself, to be fair.